If sin theta into cos theta is equals to half, then find sin theta plus cos theta. Now see, sin theta plus cos theta whole square is equals to, we can write sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta into cos theta. Here I apply the a plus b whole square formula. Okay, we know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so by applying this formula we can write that sin theta plus cos square theta whole square is equals to sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta. Here actually here sin theta in the place of a and cos theta is in the place of b. So this structure is a plus b plus whole square structure. So we can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So 1 plus 2 into, it is given that sin theta into cos theta is half. So we can put half here, 2 cross. Okay, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So sin theta plus cos square theta whole square equals to 2. So we can write sin theta plus cos theta. If we take square root on both sides, then this square will be cancelled. So, and we put square root on 2. Okay, so here is the answer. Now, okay.